Welcome back to my more important analysis videos on Friday 21st of July with me, Japan market analyst at Handtech Markets. We're going to look now at Cable. Cable has been dropping away last 4 days, 4 bear candles in a row. Interesting moves yesterday. We had retail sales for the UK better than expected. Initially the market pushed higher, then the sort of market fell away as the sort of concerns over Brexit again hitting sterling. But there has been a little bit of a rebound today as the dollar has weakened. But you look at this market and you think, well, this is still a market to buy into weakness, I think. Strong momentum indicators still, RSI above 50, just dropping away on a near-term basis, yes, but still I think this is sort of still holding up on a medium-term positive configuration on the momentum. You got that high low at 28.08. If I can get the crosshair on it. Annoyingly doesn't do it, but that is 28.08, I tell you. I've drawn in a little bit of a sort of a pivot, and not a massive sort of. I mean, it's not significant, but it's sort of a bit of a gauge, really, of sort of support, sort of. Old support becomes new resistance, and then you broke out to the upside, and it actually sort of caught the gains. So it's caught the correction yesterday. Let me show you on the hourly chart. You can see a bit better. 29.30. That was 29.27. That old high. So it's sort of a basis of support band really between 28.90 and 29.30 area, and I think that's an interesting sort of support band to watch on a near-term basis, because dropping below 28.90 would sort of suggest 28.08 being that reaction low being tested. But you do still have these sort of lower highs being tracked, but the market has sort of improved. But again, interesting. 130 big figure. Sort of talked about that as a psychological level. That became supportive and then broke to the downside, and is now sort of being tested as resistance on a near-term basis, being tested as resistance at pretty much as we speak. So yeah, watch out for that. Breakout above that reopens again, another sort of bit of a pivot at 130.50. Again, 130.50 being an old long-term level that became supportive and is now being resistance in the last few days. So again, a few levels there between 130 figure, 130.50 could again be sort of your basis that you need to look out for resistance as a little bit of a near-term barrier. So that 50 tick barrier there as resistance near-term. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again later. Thank you.